John Bainbridge, 1582, November 3, 1643, was an English astronomer and mathematician. Life. Bainbridge was born at Ashby de la Zouch, in Leicestershire to Robert and Anne, née Everard, Bainbridge. He attended the Free Grammar School in Ashby de la Zouch and then became a student at Emmanuel College, Cambridge. He returned to Ashby where he practiced as a physician for some years, kept a school and studied astronomy. Having removed to London, he was admitted, November 6, 1618, a licentiate of the College of Physicians, and was noticed due to a publication concerning the comet of 1618. In 1618, he became a member of the Puritan group of scholars known as the Gresham Circle. In 1619, Sir Henry Savile, Bible translator 1549 to 1622, elected him as the first civilian professor of astronomy at Oxford University. Bainbridge was incorporated of Merton College and became, in 1631 and 1635 respectively, junior and senior reader of Linacre's lectures. Bainbridge was a Puritan. He died at Oxford on November 3, 1643. He was a friend of Christopher Hayden, the writer on astrology, and also of John Greaves, his successor to both the Savilian chair and Linacre's lectures. Works: he wrote an astronomical description of the late comet, 1619, Canicularia, 1648, and translated Proclustes Sphera, and Ptolemy's De Planetarum Hypothesibus, 1620. Several manuscript works by him exist in the library of Trinity College, Dublin.